Hey everyone, this is Trishkane. I'm the CEO and founder of Healerverse. I'm going to bring you a quick demo to show you how the platform works. I'm going to share my screen. All right, this is what you go to after you see the login page and you hit enter portal or sign up. For Get Verified, it's free to be a seeker. A healer and an organization have the same prompts on here, and I'm going to show you right now what the healer's page looks like. So here's my account. You can see that there is beautiful dialogues going on in here. People are sharing their message, sharing their love with us, sharing their love with Healerverse. All right, now, if we go over to my profile, you can see my timeline, my friends, my date of birth. I live in Healerverse, United States. Gender, my friends, newsfeed, settings, FAQs, and contact in case you need those. Log out. Up here, you can access our affiliate program, TOLT. Everyone gets 15% on every single healer that signs up that's referred to Healerverse. You can search workshops, events, healers, and find friends. You can search for different people or topics in the search bar. And I'm going to do this very quickly, so bear with me. Notifications. You can see all the notifications that I have. The notifications also come in via email. Here is the private, secure messaging chat. Healerverse never goes and reads any of your private messages with anyone. The messages are secure, they're private. Healerverse never sells your information outside to anybody or gives your personal information away. Any information that we collect is for user experience and to be able to classify healers and seekers by their location so they could find healers and friends and events near them. So really one of the goals I have with this platform is to bring people together in person. All right, so we're going to look at the workshops here. You can see there's plenty of workshops, and then my workshops. You could see some of the workshops that I've uploaded onto Healerverse, and workshops that are available through other healers as well. There's an abundance of them on the platform. I can go up here and create a workshop, but first I'm going to show you, this is all the workshops. My workshops, which are mine as a healer. I can put unlimited workshops on here as a verified healer. Right now at the intro rate of $44 a month or $444 a year. So that's this, which we saw below. My booked workshops is all the workshops that I've purchased or obtained from other healers. Only healers are allowed to create unlimited workshops, and I'm going to show you how you create a workshop. So you can upload a photo here, name the workshop, Healerverse, Roundtable, which we do every single week at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. And we can go heal, meditation, freedom, gratitude, community, or you can do it by hashtag. It is up to you. Oops. So there you go, workshop URL. So let me show you how this works. If you go onto your YouTube channel, for example, you're able to actually upload a video on YouTube and list it as unlisted on YouTube. And if you do that, that allows you to have a private listing on YouTube that nobody can see unless they purchase your workshop. So you can see I'm not very good at YouTube, but let me see if I could find one that I've done videos. Well, I could even do this for an example.
You know,
Share link, copy, back to Healerverse, put this in. I could do free or paid. So maybe I want to charge, right? Let's say $8.88. Also, you can upload a PDF file or a workbook. That way, sometimes you have a workbook, healers, that accompanies the video that you're showcasing for people to be able to learn. And you would attach that here. You want to put how long the workshop is for so people know before they purchase it. And also when they go to do it, how long to dedicate in order to reserve enough time to do the workshop. In the workshop description, you could put Healerverse does a weekly roundtable. Everyone is welcome. We discuss ... right? And so that would be an example of that. You just hit create workshop, done. A lot of healers use outside sources to sell these workshops. I want to show you something. I'm not going to save it. So on my workshops, you can see here, let's say I click on my new moon workshop that I did. As a healer, I'm able to see everybody that booked my workshop, right? And then I'm also able to share and copy this link and put it in my other social medias. Everything is shareable from Healerverse externally. So basically, Healerverse can be used as a tool to manage your entire business from your appointment booking, workshops, and events, and put everything in one place. So on events, it's pretty much similar, right? We have all the events, and those are broken down. Oops, it's a touch screen. By all events, on-site events, and virtual events. So if there's an event near you, you'll be able to search for that because those ones will always come up first. Depending on your location, we will have events that are closest to you first. Because again, I want to bring people together in person. So my events or any events that I have coming up that I'm hosting, and I'm going to click here to show you again that I'm able to share this externally or on any of these various social media platforms, Telegram, WhatsApp, Healerverse. I could share it to my wall, copy and paste. Okay, copied, great. And back here. Now, as far as the Zoom link goes and the links in any of the events or the workshops, they're actually not public information until the person goes ahead and purchases the workshop or the event ticket. It's hidden. People will get a reminder for events a day before and also an hour before the event that the event is coming up and that they should come and that, that they have it booked and as a reminder. And also they're able to sync it to their Google and iOS calendars from the email that goes out. You can see we have this page of all the healers. And this is the desktop version, but the mobile version is very similar. So on here, you're able to see what other healers are on here, what they're doing, what they're sharing. Does any other healer live near me? Maybe I want to do an event with them. Maybe I want to meet up with them. To find healers by me, find friends. You can see I've added every single person that's ever signed up for this platform on here. Some have accepted me, some haven't. An email notification goes through when people receive a invitation for a friend request. On my profile, on the settings, you're able to see here. This is on the healer's view, guys, okay? So the healer is able to put in their address because sometimes they take appointments in person, country, city, the bio, website. So healers only have the opportunity to put in their personal website onto Healerverse and their booking calendar link. So that way you can book appointments if you're a seeker with healers or organizations for that matter, here on their booking calendar link. And then the services then populate down here. Here we have profile images. You could see my profile, notifications. You're actually able to turn off here all of the notifications for the emails that you're getting and other notifications. Privacy. So do you want your profile to be public or friends? Messages, people can message you or not. Online status, because on the chat you can see who's online, and also on the desktop, not on the mobile, in the bottom left corner you're able to see what friends are online. In this bottom left corner right here, you can actually bring that up and see who is online, send them a message and be like, hi, how are you? You can manage your healer account, that's just your address, payment settings. So everything on here gets routed through Stripe Payment Gateway. So basically, if I was to change my bank details, it would go to a Stripe login and I would set up my bank account and get automatic wiring to my bank account when people make purchases off of Healerverse, whether it's tickets or my workshops. Additionally, Healerverse only takes 10% transactional revenue on every single event that's booked and also every single workshop that's purchased. If you were to go on a similar platform, and I'm not going to mention any names, they take 15% and they have a new regulation that you're not able to sell tickets to free events without getting charged. That just came out yesterday. So Healerverse, if you're doing free events, does not charge you for your free event. It's actually free. And you can edit your profile here again. Same thing with the settings. You can update your background picture here, edit. You can share your profile. So literally in one place, you can have all your events, workshops, everything. Profile, booking link, everything. And you could just share your Healerverse profile externally. So just like any other social platform, like your link tree, Healerverse can be your link tree for your business or healing. And for seekers, you also are able to share your profile because you're able to put events on here. Everyone is able to sell tickets to events on here. We do pretty much have a long qualification process for healers and for organizations because we do a full investigation on everybody that wants to register on Healerverse. That's a healer. We verify them to ensure that they are who they say they are. There's a lot of mimickers on other social platforms that pretend to be other people. And if you're a verified Healerverse healer, that will get shut down. Anybody that's pretending to be you in 2 seconds. Just email support. That profile will be taken down. That IP address will be banned from the platform. Again, we do not sell any of your information. We only collect information to be able to make the user experience best. Other social platforms, they sell your information, but I didn't want to do that. That's not how we wanted to go about things. We really want to protect the spiritual community and the social platform and the community. And it's decentralized, so you're welcome to share whatever you want on Healerverse. Everybody is welcome. The only rule is be nice, okay? Be nice. Don't cause any fights. This is literally a platform for the greater good to bring out the best in everybody and to heal and to have a good time. So, welcome to Healerverse. I will see you there. Thank you.